It's hard not to get hooked on home improvement shows. They are filled with design ideas for viewers who are working on their own projects. The dynamic makeovers and entertaining hosts can inspire anyone to start dreaming up their own floor plans, even if they've never lifted a hammer or a paintbrush. Hi, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection, and today I have a short quiz for you, designed to determine on which home improvement show you would be the best guest. So grab a piece of paper and a pen, and let's have a little fun and find out. How would you best describe your ideal working environment? How would you describe your design style? Choose a kitchen feature. Select a bathroom feature. Pick a color or wall treatment for the master bedroom. If you had to choose a fun design feature for any room, which would it be? How do you feel about woodwork? Choose a look or feature for a home's exterior. Which region in North America would you like to live in? So let's take a look at your results. If you selected mostly A's with your classic design style and love of practicality, you would be right at home on This Old House, the godfather of home renovation shows, known for its old school charm and focus on skilled tradespeople. If you selected mostly B's, you have a fun, relaxed vibe that's perfect for catching a wave over to Christina's on the Coast. Since 2019, quintessential California host of this HGTV program showcases breezy coastal makeovers that incorporate a boho beach style with Palm Springs elegance. Mostly C's, your homey country-inspired design style makes your house the place where friends and family want to gather. You'd fit right in with the home improvement mavens on the new Magnolia Network show, Fixer Up, Welcome Home. Mostly D's, your style is clean and contemporary with a personal twist, so you'd be a perfect match for Property Brothers Forever Home. In this HGTV show, which debuted in 2019, twin brothers helped clients transform their existing space into the home of their dreams. Mostly E's, you love having multiple options to choose from with your projects, so you thrive on love it or list it, where an interior designer and a real estate agent spar with each other and wrangle over clients as they debate the advantage of making improvements or selling. Confused? Don't be. When it comes to preparing your home for sale, we can provide insight to what works best in our market to get the maximum returns. Let's talk soon. Until next time, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection, and we invite you to imagine more.